Alright, today we're doing a test of gel coat adhesion on a polyester gel coat on an epoxy substrate. It was laid up in a simple little mold for a hatch for a boat, green sealed, brushed on gel coat. Didn't have time to spray it, so it was just a brushed on in a thin layer. Let cure for 24 hours, and then it was covered in green seal for 48 hours, and then the green seal was cleaned off in one of 4 different ways. It was just washed off, green seal only. The green seal was washed off with water, and then the surface was cleaned with acetone. Down here it was green seal and taken off with a green scotch pad by scrubbing it, and then after it was dry, this was lightly sanded with about a 120 grit just to remove the polish from it. So that's what we have right there, just a little hatch, and then it was covered by 2 layers of 6-ounce glass and with epoxy laminating resin. Okay, so we have the lines drawn over here, and we're going to do a little bit of testing. I already did this some, but I'm going to do it again, just trying to see how strong. Oops. How strong this is and what kind of adhesion we can get. Okay, so we finally busted out a piece there. I don't recommend you try this with your models and adults at home. Okay. Green seal only. Definitely some chipping. And we take our fingernail, we can, oops, well, there we go, we can get that to, ow, that hurt. Get some to pop off here. Take a chisel, you can actually get it to kind of peel off a little bit. Well, not the best. It's actually holding on fairly well. Okay, so that was the green seal only. The acetone, there's a couple of cracks in it. There's a crack right there. That is right on the line of the scotch pads. Let's see if we can take the scotch pad section here and go down into it, see if it held on any better. No, man. Okay, I'm kind of just taking a fiberglass there. This was the green seal plus sanding over in this section. There's a crack right here. I'm going to try to get the chisel in there. There we go. That's still popping right off. I'm not quite sure. Come on. The sanding definitely held. Like I said, even the scotch pad is, I can't hit it much harder than that. Granted, I could use a 16-ounce claw hammer, but be reasonable here. Bend it. And that's the scotch pad scrub. This is the sanding section. Okay. The acetone section. I don't really have much luck getting it to flake off. And this is the green sealed only section. Like I said, it's not peeling off as bad as I thought. There we go. Nope. And that's not doing too bad. I think the hardest thing is getting the gel coat to fully cure, buffing some of the polish off without it shrinking and wanting to pull out of the mold. Here I can definitely get that green seal only section off. Everywhere else I'm having a heck of a time. really getting it to bust loose. I don't know what model you would ever do this to, but that's not bad. That just pretty much crushed it right there. I think I have my answer. More than greenseal, that actually comes off and leaves a fairly smooth surface of the epoxy. Everywhere else, you're almost tearing little, you probably can't quite see that, but tearing little pieces of epoxy out with the gel coat. So, anyways, that's my test on gel coat adhesion that I'm working on here, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you.